everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do another get ready with me. I know I've been doing so many get ready with me's lately, but I really love them and I think you guys really love them as well. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me, my hair, my makeup, a little bit of skincare, hair mask, outfit, a little bit of everything for a date. Since it's Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day is around the corner, I thought it would be fitting. But of course, you could use this for anything really. Like you could use this if you're going out with your friends, your mom, your parents, anything. So personally, my take on a get ready with me for a date is very different. It's very casual, very laid back. I know the other tutorials that I've seen online are very glamorous and that's great. I love that, but it's not relatable to me. So I wanted to give it a spin of my own and this is what I came up with. So let's just get started with today's video. I started with a hair mask. This has to be one of my most favorite hair masks. All you need is 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. This is specifically for my long hair. So if you have shorter hair, probably reduce it by half, like just use 1 tablespoon of each. And then you just want to mix the 3 ingredients really well and it'll be this runny sort of consistency. Before you apply it, make sure to brush out your hair so that there are no knots and tangles, and then you just apply it like any hair mask. You apply it on your scalp mainly and then also drench your entire length of your hair. Now I like to use this hair mask specifically when my hair is feeling super like dull and dry, and also when I want that extra pick me up. So I try to save this hair mask for like special occasions because it really does the trick for me. You could leave this hair mask for an hour, 2 hours, or even more than that. I didn't have a lot of time, so I just left it in for 15 minutes and then used my regular shampoo and conditioner, and after that my hair was feeling so nice and soft and also shiny. Now since we've taken care of the hair, let's do something about the face. For my classic face mask, all you need is 2 tablespoons of chickpea powder, a little bit of turmeric, some yogurt because I have oily skin. If you have dry skin, you can use milk, and then some lemon, and then you just mix it all together. I'm sure you already know about this face mask. It's widely used all over India and for a good reason. It's amazing. Like I don't know why I haven't used it in a while, but I used it this time after I would say like months, and oh my god, my skin has never felt better. Like I'm not even kidding. I just apply it all over my face and let it stay for like 15-ish minutes. You could even use this all over your body. Once I was done with my pamper session, I got on with the makeup, but before my makeup I used the Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum. Now this has vitamin C and turmeric. I think I've already spoken about this product in the past with you guys, and also it's a part of my monthly favorites for January. I've been using this for a while, and also this is my second bottle. I've completely used up my first one. It's probably one of the best products that I've used like recently, one of the products that has really stood out. So as I mentioned, this product has vitamin C, which means that it is a great antioxidant. It really helps you even out your skin tone and also achieve like a beautiful glow. Recently the weather's been a little bit colder, so my skin has gotten a little bit dry, so I can use this all over my face and it really helps me maintain that balance, helps my skin stay moisturized. So even if I am or am not wearing makeup, I always prefer wearing this all over my face and neck. I've been thoroughly enjoying this product because it doesn't break me out and at the same time it gives me like a beautiful glow from within. You can use my code Mridul2020 to get a 20% off on mamaearth.in. Next, I shaved my face. Well, not my entire face, but specifically my upper lip area and my eyebrows. For special occasions, I do like to do this because it gives me like a more cleaner and like polished sort of a look. So I just do that very quickly. I'm gonna make sure to link all the products that I've used in the description box below. And then here again, I'm just going in with a little bit more serum just to hydrate those areas. Now this is a new trick that I've been doing recently. It's where I use a liquid highlighter underneath my foundation. So I kind of apply it on my high points of my face, and then I'll cover it up with foundation on top. So it just looks truly like my skin is beaming from within. Step 1, I use the Skin Illuminate serum, and then I use highlighter. So by the end of it, my skin looks so healthy, like I've been drinking water all day. For my base makeup, I used my all-time favorite product, the Maybelline Fit foundation. I don't know why I stopped using it for a while, but I used it again after a very long time, and it's beautiful. So I just use a very thin layer and blend it out. I know it looks a little white right now, but it'll oxidize in just a bit, and also the camera is making it look a little white. Next, I use some powder, but I've been using powder only underneath my eyes. And another thing that I've been doing is using a lot of blush. I do go a little heavy on my blush, but I like it that way. And then brows, of course. So I just shape my eyebrows really quickly and fill them in. You guys have seen me doing this quite a few times, so I just do that, nothing special. The next product, again, I'm truly obsessed with. It's the Nykaa's Wing in a Blink. I love the formulation of this product. It's so black. The felt tip makes it a lot easier to draw wings or just do eyeliners in general. I would say I like it a little bit more than the Lakme's Insta Liner, which says a lot about the product. And then finally, to complete the eyes, I'm just using some mascara. Can't do without mascara. And to wrap up the look, I've been obsessed with this new lippy. It's by Purplle, and it's their lip crayons. It's in the shade Board Games. I've been loving this shade all throughout January, and this is what my makeup looks like. A lot of blush, very glowy, dewy sort of a look. Onto the hair. Now this is kind of like a hack trick that I do, sort of. So basically what I do is I braid my hair really quickly. It looks a little silly, but it works out for me really well. I'm about to trim my bangs. The front section of my hair has gotten super long, and it's time for a trim. I trim my hair on my own. I have an entire video all about it. So I'm just quickly giving my hair a trim. This is how I do it. Again, I'm gonna make sure to link that video in the description box below if you want more details. And then I'm just gonna go in with these really pretty clips and clip the side, one of my sides of my hair. I like to do this when I have my braids. I don't know, I can't explain it, but when I tie my braid and then apply these clips, everything just sits more perfectly, if that makes any sense. This is what my outfit looks like. So I went with a very casual bodycon dress, which is from Hill Road, a denim jacket, some white sneakers, backpack, a look that I'm very comfortable in, but it looks a little bit stylish also. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Everything that I've mentioned, I'm gonna link it down below. In case I haven't mentioned it throughout the video, it's gonna be linked down below. As always, don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simbaa Lifestyle, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!